Today, we are going to go on a tour of one of the most famous areas in all of New Orleans, Jackson Square. To your left, you are going to see one of the most iconic places to get food in all of New Orleans, and there's the line to prove it, Café du Monde. Café du Monde has been churning out beignets and chicory-spiced coffee for over a century. You can see that this area gets pretty crowded, but it's easy enough to navigate during the daytime. Jackson Square is one of the most entertaining areas of the city to walk around during the day. Street buskers and art vendors crawl on the streets. Let me turn around so you can get a better view of Café du Monde and the line that stretches down the block for people getting their beignets. Vendors of art are going to circle the entire perimeter of Jackson Square, so do take your time to take in all the sights. You definitely do not want to rush through this part of town. It's a wonderful place to walk. I'm going to go ahead and stop talking so you can enjoy the video. Let me know what you think about Jackson Square and Café du Monde, or if you've ever been to New Orleans and what your favorite part is. Steps.
You did?
Oh, so we could.
Not only is he drunk, he's pissed now. I want to follow the plane. All right, knucklehead, you want to go to jail and file your complaint, or you just want to get the hell out of here? He chose a ladder to get the hell out of here.
What? Something that tried to sell beignets over here at this corner. I guess for Dave Landry's.
Sorry.
So, there you have it. That's my tour around Jackson Square. Let me know what you thought about the video and drop a comment below. I do think that most can agree that New Orleans is one of the most eclectic places to visit in the United States. Let me know what your thoughts are. It is absolutely a completely unique place that's unlike no other. And the food is some of the best that you can get anywhere, bar none.